Okay, today is the 12th of November. A lot has taken place since last week, Joe.
Okay,
Tell us about it.
Friday, the roof trusses showed up, and we set those Friday, Monday, Tuesday, shake them out. The sheeting's on now. Best I can get of unit sheeting and these little dormers.
Yeah.
So the addition roofing is proceeding along very well.
Okay.
Upstairs, all the walls are framed on that second floor beneath the trusses. Downstairs, plumbing rough in. I think we got that started last week. You'll see a lot more done in there, and some ductwork up, and then the sprinkler lines in the ceiling on this list.
Okay.
Laying out the cupola right now. Part of our roof. You can see all the ductwork.
Wow, yeah, a lot.
Those are plumbing drain lines up in the ceiling, bathroom upstairs. And those are the bathrooms.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Heading inside.
Inside, we haven't really done any more framing in here. We're finishing up the electrical piping runs in the ceiling and feeding the boxes to these panels. You see all the pipes feeding to the top of the panels connecting to that rack. The pipe.
Wow.
Fancy pipe work.
Yeah. Boy, labor intensive.
Yeah. And then waiting on this arch piece of steel for the back. It should be here early next week to install. We'll finish the last opening out there. Sprinkler work is all done up in this area, and really the rough HVAC work is done. So the next move is finish some electrical, a couple answers on electrical, and then we'll be drywalling, and I would guess about 2 weeks to drywall this area.
Okay.
And that should wrap it up.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Upstairs.
Okay, upper level. You can see now the sheeting and truss work in process. We took off a lot of the braces that you were having to trip around last week, because once the trusses and sheeting is locked in, the walls are stable. This is the cupola opening here.
How many days will that take to build?
It'll take us a couple of weeks to build it. We're actually going to build the whole structure on the ground, roof it, and actually set it up there with a crane.
Okay. You know, our treasurer asked me about the elevator and where the elevator lands and its relationship with this roof. Can you explain that?
Well, we're standing at, this is the opening. You can see your existing roof. So there'll be a walkway out here. The elevator wall, I don't know if you can pick up the yellow painted on the floor. That's actually the back of the elevator.
Okay.
The elevator actually sits right here.
Okay.
So extend these walls up. This is the back side of it, right about here. And then the front side's out here. So this will be a doorway walkway. And what we're standing on actually gets removed and gets lowered to the level of that floor there.
Oh. Okay. So that's why these are going.
That's the X's on this stuff. All this goes where we're standing now.
Okay.
Roof comes off, we lower the floor, and now we build stairway in back of you, elevator, and then a little aisleway leading into the addition.
Okay.
And then there'll also be a little roof scuttle going out onto the roof for roof access.
Okay. All right. And finishing up there. Looks good. All right. I forget what this is.
This is a little closet, storage closet.
Okay.
This is the bathroom. You can see the rough. That's the pipes you saw up above.
Mm-hmm.
Stuffing up. The conference room.
This is the general office.
General office.
Yeah. My office. Great. Now we talked a little bit about insulation. Is that planned for?
Yeah, the insulation actually gets set up in this.
Mm-hmm.
At this height. Yeah, and then you'll have a ceiling that drops below this.
Mm-hmm.
So your weather barrier will be right at that line.
Okay.
Start the electrician. He got started a little bit. Now that the roof's on, he's going to be able to start running pipes up here also.
Okay.
This area here gets a little eyebrow roof in here with the barrel ceiling.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be our next framing move we make. Actually, on Monday we're going to start the FlipShare piles.
And you think that'll be how many days?
It'll take us 2 days to do the piles.
Mm-hmm.
Then we got a little concrete work, and we'll reduce the steel once we have exact dimensions on. We can field measure the footings.
Release meaning order.
Yeah, it's already sitting there ready. We'll make sure we got the right size and then cut it in, I would say, a week and a half, 2 weeks for steel.
Okay.
Once the steel's done, that pile of lumber over there is to frame the FlipShare.
Okay.
This is the conference room.
Yes, yes.
The fax copy room, and then this is where IT, telephones, computers.
IT closet. Okay. They're working on continuing the.
Sheeting on this part,
Okay.
last part to be sheeted.
Great.